WebSocket. Oh, okay. This is likely a memory corruption. Okay, summary for a user. Replace CSV with SQL. Okay. Initial migration, one-time import. Okay. Incremental updates. Fetch only the last 10K from the API. Beautiful, efficient queries. Okay. Stats collection, pure SQL queries. Okay. First time run. This is for my backend. While she's doing her thug fizzle, I'm gonna keep doing things over here. I got things I gotta do every single day. I'm locked in live. The backend is crashing when that happens. Okay. Recommended solution: reboot the server to clear memory corruption. Okay. All right, you can go ahead and reboot the server, and then we can go ahead and run it. So I've just got this server here that is hosting this website that has some data on here for me. Bro, this idea is fire. Thank you, bro. Zombie. Good to see you. Much love to you. 777. Let's get it. Perfect. I've created the Hyperliquid volume monitor script. Let me run it right now to show you the top volume markets. Okay. And then also let's go to Hyperliquid. I know I could just look at it every single day if I want, but I'm a human, dude. So let's go to Hyperliquid, and I'm not going to do this every single day. I won't. There's just zero chance. There's zero chance I'll do this every day. But essentially, if you did this every single day and always saw the top 10, you would see the change over time. And honestly, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, let's ignore, in that top 10, let's ignore BTC, Ethereum, and Solana. So we'll have top 10 of, altcoins essentially. And let's go ahead here. Boom, here's your top 10. BTC has 3.3 billion in volume, perfect. ETH 1.8, perfect. Sol 507, perfect. Zcash number 4 spot, interesting. Watchers to move. Okay, then go ahead and print out that new top 10 for me, just so we can see that it all works. Also, point me to the file path that you built here. That's fire too. And then lastly, talk to me how we will go ahead and implement this. How do we save the data first off? If we save everything to a CSV, that's beautiful. And if we can, how are we seeing the change over 4-hour periods? That's another thing I want to look at. And then also being able to track the change over 24 hours is important as well. So me or the AI agent Swarm can look at and see, okay, this is the change in volume for this token in the last 4 hours and 24 hours. And now that I think about it, I want this to be top 15 tokens minus those ones I mentioned above. Okay, go ahead and keep going. All right, dude, this is fire. This is fire. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. You got questions, let me know. I got answers. We got the arbitrage bot down here that we set up earlier, and I already showed you all the code. Let's go to terminal here. Okay, let's see here. Here's what you need to do. I upgraded the WebSockets didn't fix. We still have the segmentation. This is default memory corruption from all previous. Reboot the server. Sudo reboot. Reboot. Damn. After reboot, SSH in and start the backend. In another terminal, start the front end. The SQLite implementation is 100% done and will work after reboot. Can you do the reboot for me? I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Oh, compacting conversation, fam. Come on. Let's lock in, bro. Lock in. Connect to host here. Moon Dash. Open folder here. I think it was home. So this is the volume stuff here. Tracking 4-hour changes. Every 4 hours, the script runs and saves the snapshot. Beautiful. Implementation, next script to build, pseudocode. What will track? Volume change, 125%. Beautiful. Tracking, 24 hours. What will track? Swarm agent implementation. Beautiful. Volume agent swarm. Volume agent change analyzer. Volume agent swarm. Okay. From swarm import swarm. We just built a bot the other day here with so I want you to build this. All right, so it looks like you got the functionality down perfectly. Okay, so after it gets the new 4 hours, I wanted to send in to the swarm with a a prompt that shows them the data for the changes and the symbols and then the changes. And then I wanted to go ahead and ask it, what if you had to pick one token based off the volume and the volume changes here to be long to buy, what would it be? And then since we're going to be using the swarm agent, here's an example of how we use the swarm agent in this file. But since we're going to be using that swarm agent, it should go ahead and ask all the swarms, should ask all the AIs, and then also get a consensus answer as well. Now we're going to need to log the answers for all of them and consensus here. So maybe make a folder for this volume agent in the regular data path, and we can save all things there. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. Go ahead and build it. Here's the example of how to use the swarm agent. Okay, so let's go ahead to GitHub. Again, this is all on GitHub free. The link's in the description. And 5 days ago, RBI PP multi. Okay, so let's use this. Example of how to use Swarm. I would like you to just make this one file so you can delete the other files of these scripts in order to grab